Creating content for TikTok. Types of posts on TikTok. To give you some good ideas for content you can create on TikTok, we will take a look at the most common types of posts that you will see. Remember that whatever you do, it needs to be entertaining. Music videos. Remember that the TikTok platform is a follow-on from the musical.ly platform, which was all about lip-syncing to famous songs. So, it will probably not surprise you to know that many music videos and even music montages are very popular on TikTok. You will find a number of lip-syncing videos and others that are a bit more creative. For example, we found a number of music videos that featured characters from games where the words of the song had a strong connection. Comedy videos. There are a ton of videos on TikTok that have the aim of making people laugh. It is amazing how people think of some of the ideas for funny videos and create them. You will find humorous videos for people of all ages. While a lot of the comedic videos are spontaneous and the short kind of around 15 seconds or less, there are other videos that have clearly been well planned out and have a great deal of detail in them. Making comedic videos is not easy, but if you can do it, then you will really connect with the TikTok crowd. Special effects videos. You can create some great videos with special effects inside TikTok. For example, there are a number of face filters that you can use to make your videos really interesting. Special effects videos are usually very popular, so you want to take your time and learn all you can about what is possible. Duet videos. If you see a particular musical post that you want to reply to, you can use the Duets feature in TikTok to create your own video by the side of the original video and use the same music. This was a popular feature in the musical.ly that users really like. Some of the best videos using the Duets feature are reactionary. You will see how someone feels about the original video, which is often very funny. It is not that difficult to make duet-style videos, and you can use your own videos and react to them. Challenge videos. A very popular thing on TikTok is a hashtag challenge. When Jimmy Fallon, the host of The Tonight Show, came up with the idea of the Tumbleweed Challenge, it was an enormous hit, and in less than a week, there were more than 8,000 videos related to it on TikTok that got over 10 million engagements. A challenge video will basically encourage users to participate by doing something fun. Other successful challenges have included the Chipotle Lid Flip Challenge, where the aim here was to flip a Chipotle bowl lid by only using the bowl. If you can come up with the right challenge, you can get a huge amount of engagement on TikTok. Creating a TikTok video. We would always recommend that you plan your TikTok videos when you are promoting your brand on the platform. Remember that your aim is always engagement with the users, and although spontaneous videos can certainly do that, those that are planned tend to do a lot better. It is pretty straightforward to create a TikTok video. If you have ever posted a story to Instagram or Snapchat, then you're going to find the tools available in TikTok easy to use, intuitive, and powerful. The first thing you need to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open the camera on your device, and you will see a large red round record button. You can create either a 15-second short video or a 60-second video. It is not necessary for you to use your camera to record something on the fly. There is an upload button that you can use to upload a video that you created earlier. Whatever way you choose to go, you can use the tools within TikTok to add a number of special effects, including speed up your video, slow down your video, alternate between your front and back smartphone camera, add a timer. There are a number of effects available in TikTok, and when you tap on the effects icon on the left side of the screen, you can browse through them. There is a World tab where you will find effects suitable for the environment, such as a slice of augmented reality pizza. If you are using a dog or a cat in your video, then there are even special effects available for them as well. The beauty button is a real lifesaver. Use this to erase any dark shadows that you may have under your eyes. Then there are the various filters available, which are all numbered, unlike with Instagram where they all have names. As with Instagram, the filters in TikTok are there to allow you to change the color filter of your camera. The timer feature is very useful, as you can set it to create hands-free recordings. Without this feature, you would need to hold the recording button down all of the time when you are shooting your videos from within TikTok. We recommend that you spend time playing around with the various special effects tools in TikTok. It will not take you very long to become an expert. And after this, you can start testing the Duets feature. To create a duet video, just tap on the share button with the original and then choose Duet. It is always good to add a musical track with TikTok videos, and you can do this after you have uploaded it to the recording screen. In fact, videos can go viral on TikTok simply because of the chosen music track. To add a music track, all you need to do is tap on the Add a Sound icon, which is on the right side of the recording screen. You will then see a streaming menu of songs and artists similar to Spotify. Just browse the most popular tracks on TikTok, and you can also find other songs on Apple Music as well if you want. Remember that you will not find complete songs on TikTok. Instead, you'll find short clips to use with your short videos. You cannot edit these clips, which may not be what you want. But there is a solution, as you can actually play the music on another device while you were shooting video in TikTok. This is then registered as an original sound. You need to be careful that you do not infringe any copyrights if you record sound from another device though. Within the Sounds menu, you will find the tracks associated with TikTok challenges. Once you have finished your video, just tap on Next, and you will see a page that looks a lot like the post page for Instagram. On this page, you can create a caption for your video and add relevant hashtags. If you want, you can add the account handles of other users here, and you can make changes to the privacy settings where you can enable or disable duets, turn the comments on or off, and to download to your smartphone's photo gallery, you can tap on Save to Album. To make the post later, you can tap on the Draft button and return to it later. Content marketing on TikTok. Whenever you are posting content to TikTok, you need to think about engagement. Once you start to create entertaining videos that drive engagement, your followers will want more from you. So you had better have a plan to keep them entertained on a regular basis. There are going to be a number of marketers that make a lot of posts on TikTok at the beginning and then post nothing afterwards. This is not the best way to go. It is like telling your audience that you have nothing new to offer them. Your followers will feel that you no longer want to communicate with them, and you want to avoid this. Create a schedule for your TikTok posts. You need to make a commitment if you want to be successful on social media platforms like TikTok. New content posted regularly will increase your chances of more engagement and more followers.